One of Global Accounts' most powerful tools for managing funds across accounts and currencies is auto-sweeping rules. Designed to provide greater flexibility, control, and efficiency in managing your funds, auto-sweeping rules enable you to automatically move or sweep funds between accounts based on predefined rules. Here's how you can set these rules on your Global Accounts dashboard. First, log in to your TransferMate account and select Global Accounts from the drop-down menu. On the Global Accounts page, click on the Sweeping Rules tab. Once you have clicked on the tab, you'll be presented with all of the current rules you have created for your account. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Add Sweeping Rule button to create a new rule. The system will then present you with a pop-up window, which you can use to configure your new sweeping rule. Click on the field labelled "What do you want to trigger the sweep?" You will then be presented with two different options that will trigger a sweep. These rules are 1. Configure sweeping rules per transaction. In this instance, when funds arrive in a specific account, they will be immediately moved to another nominated account. And 2. A regular sweep. In this scenario, funds will be moved from one account to another based on the balance held in that account. How to establish a per transaction sweep rule. In our first example, we've chosen to establish a per transaction rule. We can now click on the field labelled "What account are you setting this rule for?" and select the currency you wish to set a rule for from the drop-down list. In our example, we've chosen Euro, but the process is the same for every currency type available. Next, we can click on the field labelled "Choose accounts for this rule," which will present you with all of the accounts you have currently opened for the currency you have chosen. Select one or as many of the accounts you wish for this rule to affect from the drop-down list. The next step is to choose what account you want funds to move to. Click on the field labelled "Where do you want to sweep to?" There are multiple options given from the drop-down list, including sweeping funds from the chosen accounts to one of your other global accounts in the same currency, one of your other global accounts in a different currency, one of your external bank accounts, or to one of your established beneficiary accounts. All of these provide use cases, such as consolidating funds received from multiple Euro accounts into a master Euro account, converting funds from multi-currency accounts to a master single currency account, or drawing down funds to your local bank account, or paying beneficiaries from accounts automatically. Select the best option for you from the drop-down list. In this example, we've chosen to move funds received in one Euro global account to another in the same currency. Once you have selected the option that's right for you, click on the field labelled "Choose Account" to choose from your saved accounts on record. Now, once funds arrive in the chosen account, they will automatically move to our newly selected account immediately. At the bottom of the window, you can choose the start date of this rule. Other options are also available to have the rule come into effect at specific times throughout the day. And you can also choose the last date for the rule to take effect. Please note that if no end date is selected, the rule will remain in effect indefinitely. At the bottom of the window, you can tick the box to apply this rule to all new global accounts opened for this currency in the future. So, if you activate a new global account tomorrow, and any new funds are received in that account, this rule will automatically sweep those funds to the account you've selected in this setup. How to establish a regular sweep rule. For our next example, we've chosen to establish a regular sweep rule. This rule initiates a sweep based on an account balance. Click on the field labelled "What kind of balance-based sweep do you want to set?" Here, you'll be provided with a drop-down list of 3 options. First, let's go through the process of setting up a sweep based on the max account balance. In the field labelled "Account Balance," we can enter the amount of funds required to trigger the sweep. Here, we've entered €10,000. The next step is to choose what account you want the funds to move to. Click on the field labelled "Where do you want to sweep to?" There are multiple options given from the drop-down list, including sweeping funds from the chosen accounts to one of your other global accounts in the same currency, one of your other global accounts in a different currency, one of your external bank accounts, or to one of your established beneficiary accounts. All of these provide use cases, such as consolidating funds received from multiple euro accounts into a master euro account, converting funds from multi-currency accounts to a master single currency account, drawing down funds to your local bank account, or paying beneficiaries from accounts automatically. In this example, we've chosen to set the rule to transfer funds to our external bank account, allowing us to use the funds domestically. We can then select which external account we wish to transfer funds to by using the field labelled Choose Account. As we have selected Max Account Balance as the type of sweep, this means that once our global account balance reaches or exceeds €10,000, funds will be swept into our external bank account. In this example, the fund transfer is also a cross-currency sweep from euros to Great British pounds, with the preferential conversion rate applied as defined in our terms and conditions. At the bottom of this pop-up, we can define rule frequency. Here is where we can change the condition on when the rule should run. For example, when we select daily, we can choose a time from the drop-down menu that enables the rule to check the account balance at a specific time daily. And if that balance is €10,000 or above, the funds will be swept into our external bank account. We can also press the Add Another Time text to run the rule at multiple specified times through the day, week, or month. We can also create a rule on the minimum account balance by selecting the option from the What kind of balance-based sweep do you want to set field. This automation is primarily used to fund another account. After selecting minimum account balance, we can adjust the account balance in the field labelled as such. In this example, we've entered €5,000 so that any time our balance in the global account falls below €5,000, we can pull funds from another global account in either the same currency or a different currency. Click on the field labelled When the balance is below target, where do you want to pull from? And choose from either one of your global accounts in the same currency or in a different currency. Next, click on the field labelled Choose Account and select the global account you wish to pull funds from with the drop-down menu. Here, we've chosen our GBP account. As this is a cross-currency sweep, the preferential conversion rate, as defined in our terms and conditions, is applied. At the bottom of this pop-up, we can define rule frequency. Here is where we can change the condition on when the rule should run. Options include immediately when conditions are met, so that any time the account balance drops below the specified amount, the rule will sweep funds. Other conditions can also be set up on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis at a specific time. In our example, we've chosen immediately when conditions are met, so that when our account balance in the Euro Global account falls below €5,000, funds will be immediately transferred from our GBP Global account to maintain our balance. Please note that it is the user's responsibility to ensure that funds are available in the GBP account for the rule to function as intended. Lastly, we can set regular sweep rules based on target account balance by selecting the option from the What kind of balance-based sweep do you want to set field. This sweep combines the two previous options, maximum and minimum. If we wish to have a balance of exactly €5,000 in our global account, we can enter this amount in the account balance field. In any case of this account exceeding a balance of €5,000, we can use the Where do you want to sweep to field to choose another account for our funds to be transferred. In our example, we've chosen one of our external bank accounts, a UK-based GBP account, so that any excess funds over €5,000 will be swept to this external account. As this is a cross-currency sweep, the preferential conversion rate, as defined in our terms and conditions, is applied. If the account has less than €5,000, we can automate a rule using the When the balance is below the target, where do you want to pull from field. In this instance, we've chosen to pull funds from a global account in the same currency. In the Choose Account field beneath this option, we can select the account we wish to pull funds from should the balance drop below €5,000 using the drop-down list. This will help ensure that at any time, our fund balance in the selected Euro global account will remain at the €5,000 balance. At the bottom of this pop-up, we can define the rule frequency, where we can again change the condition on when the rule should run. We can also use the checkbox to apply this rule to all new global accounts opened for the currency in the future. And that's how easy it is to set automated account sweeping rules for global accounts. An automation designed to help you manage your funds more effectively on the platform by simplifying your operations and optimizing cash flow. Further rule-based sweeping capabilities are planned in future updates to the TransferMate platform. If you require any assistance, please get in touch with our team by following the links in the description below.